Hey Emblem heads, so today I'm going to teach you how to learn magic in the new Fire Emblem game. It's much different than other Fire Emblem games. There's no items anymore, so if you're looking to buy magic tomes that just don't exist anymore, you just simply learn it. And you can see here I'm talking to one of the professors to learn facility training, and then I'm going to click Faith, because that's how you learn healing moves, and I'm just going to get her to teach me to use Faith. Learn Faith, and then once you get to D, level D, then you can get a healing move or a magic move. Faith is for healing, Reason is for dark magic, fire and the rest of that. You can also go to the church and pray like I am here. This is another way to do it, and use other characters. And if you want to make your other character, this is just how you get your main character to learn magic. You want to get your other characters to learn magic, you have to teach them like I am here in the in the lessons, right? You teach each person. You say, I think this is me right now, getting her up to D. As you see, she's at E right now, and then she's going to go to D, and she's going to learn heal. So that's basically how it works. Keep in mind that once you level up to intermediate classes, if that class does not use magic, even if you are leveled up to D or to whatever, and you know these magic spells, you won't be able to use them on certain classes. So if you really want that person to be a magic user, you have to upgrade them into classes that can use magic. There's lots of classes that combine magic and swords and lances and all that fun stuff. So anyways, that's how you do it. In summary, you don't buy magic, you learn it. So make sure you get all your magic up to D, because that's when you learn the first couple spells. Great. Anyways, if this video helped you, please like it, and just do not subscribe to me.